Hello, sustainable gardeners and earth lovers. Welcome back to Urban Garden Republic, where we champion eco-friendly gardening practices. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary world of no-dig gardening, a method that promises to boost your garden's health while saving you time and effort. Let's get started, shall we? No-dig gardening is exactly what it sounds like. A gardening method that eliminates the need for turning the soil. By layering organic material on top of the soil, you create a rich, aerated environment that encourages beneficial microbial activity and worm populations. This method reduces weed growth, conserves moisture, and prevents soil erosion, all while minimizing backbreaking labor. To start, select a spot for your garden that receives adequate sunlight. Begin by laying down a layer of cardboard or newspaper directly over the grass or soil to suppress weeds. Then, add a thick layer of organic matter. Compost, aged manure, or garden waste works wonders. Top this off with a layer of mulch to conserve moisture and continue to suppress weeds. Over time, these layers will break down, feeding your plants and improving soil health. No-dig gardens are versatile, supporting a wide range of plants. For vegetables, leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale thrive in the nutrient-rich layers. Root vegetables, such as carrots and potatoes, also do well, thanks to the loose, aerated soil. When it comes to fruits, consider strawberries and raspberries for a sweet touch. Don't forget about flowers. Marigolds and nasturtiums not only add color, but also repel pests. Maintenance is straightforward in a no-dig garden. Each year, simply add another layer of organic matter to replenish nutrients. Keep an eye on moisture levels, especially in the first year as the layers establish. Pull any weeds that make their way through the mulch, though you'll find there are significantly fewer than in traditional gardens. And as always, practice crop rotation to keep your soil healthy and your plants thriving. Embracing no-dig gardening is a step toward a more sustainable and joyful gardening experience. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes doing less truly does yield more. For more insights into eco-conscious gardening practices, stay tuned to Urban Garden Republic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening gold. Happy gardening, and remember, nurture the earth, and it will nurture you back.